20-second tips
for home learning.
Welcome back to another 20-second tip for home learning. This one's one of my favorites because it helps make taking notes way more fun. Or, well, maybe not the taking notes part of the taking notes, but like the notes look more fun, and therefore it is fun because anything that looks fun is fun, right? So my tip for today is color code your notes. It's really hard to study when all your notes look the same. Yes, you can break things up by organizing sections, but they'll be even more clear if you color code them. Maybe everything to do with plants is green. Maybe everything that happened in a certain year in history is pink. Vocabulary words are blue. Studying from a rainbow will help you make associations with way less effort. If you're excited to bring a little color into your black and white notes, like this video and comment rainbow time. I can't wait for you to see how huge of a difference this makes. If you want more tips on taking notes, check out my blog post below. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and check out another video. And now for the random fact of the week. A baby puffin is called a puffling.